Hey everybody, welcome back, and the video is about to start in just a moment. We put out a video for Happily Ever After last year in 2023, so we learned a lot of different editing skills and techniques when it comes to color correction and doing a lot of adjustment layers and visual effects. So we're going to showcase that here. This video looks 100 times better. The quality is so much better than it is before. We've got a brand new audio track that we edited and recorded up. So make sure to let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below. I will have all the details for the live premiere, which gives me an opportunity to connect with you, gives you an opportunity to connect with me. So make sure to let me know what you think of the video in the comment section down below. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And this is my official trailer for my 2024 Happily Ever After.